Many Ford Fiesta owners, especially those with 2010-2019 models, experience random alarm activations. The most common cause is corroded door or hood switches that falsely signal an open door or hood due to moisture buildup. Ford issued a recall in 2025, TSB 240124, that covers faulty door and hood latch switches. Eligible vehicles can get free repairs at dealerships. If not covered by the recall, inspect the door and hood switches for corrosion. Clean them using electrical contact cleaner and apply dielectric grease to prevent future moisture issues. Another culprit can be the interior motion sensor, which may be triggered by debris or excessive sensitivity. Clean the sensor area and minimize vibrations near the vehicle. These steps should resolve most random alarm issues in your Ford Fiesta. After addressing potential hardware issues, try resetting the alarm system. A simple reset can sometimes clear false triggers. If the alarm continues to malfunction, more advanced troubleshooting may be required. Consider using a diagnostic tool, an OBD2 scanner, to check for specific error codes related to the body control module. Newer Fiesta models have improved sensors, but software glitches can still cause issues, especially in humid climates. The Ford Pass app allows remote diagnostics to check sensor statuses via your smartphone. If problems persist, consult a qualified mechanic, as unresolved issues can drain your battery or indicate more serious electrical problems. Regular inspections and preventive maintenance, like applying dielectric grease to switches, can significantly reduce the likelihood of future alarm problems.